Hello dear student, welcome to everybody to my class. This is Nishit Joadar in front of you. Today I am present a new topics for you. Okay dear learners, get ready soon and try to understand the quiz for your own self because it's a very important or vital class for you. If you have a vast curious about the topics, if you get a deep concentration about the topics, you will be learn something from the class. Okay dear learners, get ready soon. Okay, look at the picture and talk about it. Yeah dear learners, what you are watching in the picture, what do you see in the first picture? The first picture is of a necklace. I guess it is a pearl's necklace. What do you see in the second picture? In the second picture, I see a beautiful young woman wearing pearl ornaments. So our today's topics is pearl. Okay, dear learners, today I am going to conduct a new topics for you. It's a pearl. Learning outcomes. After the end of the lesson, student will be able to talk about pearl. Narrate the ancient people like it. Keyword or word meaning? Mythology. Yeah, mythology means it's a ancient, just like the people says, and it's a long chapter going through in our society. The people says about this just like a social community word which are usually habited in our society. Just like it's a prince and princess story, other types of way. Ancient. It's also be a primitive. It's a primitive. Dissolve. Status. Association. It's a community. Some people get together or make a bondage about themselves, about the matter, and they try to promise that they will be make their mind in the same way. That's called association. Okay dear learner, let's go. Read the text and answer the question below. Thousands of years ago, the first pulse was probably discovered while 100 years were searching food at the seashore. Throughout history of the pearl, with its shine, has been one of the most highly valued gems. Pearls have been mentioned many times in religious texts and mythologies from the earliest times. The ancient Egyptians valued pearls so much that they were buried with them. It is said that the famous queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, would dissolve pearls in a glass and drink it. It's a symbol like of love, respect for the entire nation. The Greek thought of pearls as a sign of wealth and social position. The beauty of pearls was associated with love and marriage. Ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. At that time, the young women of the noble families loved to wear beautiful necklaces. The brave knights used to wear them in the battles for good luck. Do you think pearls were dissolved by ancient? Yes, I think so. People in ancient time would search body by the seashore. Probably they found pearl then. It means that do you think the pearls are dissolved in ancient time? It's mean the in the we can say that in the ancient period or primitive period, pearls are firstly discovered from the seashore. Why do ding pearl was valued so much in the past? Pearls have been mentioned many times in religious texts and mythologies from the earliest times. The Greeks throw up pearls as a sign of wealth and social status, for the pearls have been so much valued. What good luck the knights throw the pearls bring them. The knights that the pearls would bring good luck in the battle. Home task. Write a short paragraph on the pearls and its uses. At first, you have to think about the matter that what types of things, what types of text are given for you. It's just like a things which is a very valuable or very precious in our social, in our national, in our international life. Just like at present, we think that the man who have a lot of wealth, he is a rich person. In the ancient period, the person who have a huge types of or huge amount of pearls, he is a or he was just like a famous or status or rich person in those period, because a person status was behind the pearls. At present, you have to think about the matter, then describe yourself and write a paragraph on pearls and its uses. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Thank you everybody. Thank you, dear learners. Okay, thank you.